Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best American Bass XFL 15 is probably one of the most sought-after subwoofers in the market, renowned for its ability to deliver a powerful and immersive bass experience that will transform your car audio system. Its high-quality design and impressive sound quality make it a top choice for audiophiles and casual listeners alike, promising to elevate your music listening experience to a whole new level, no matter the genre. Number 5. American Bass XR15 D4. Get ready to experience bass like never before. This subwoofer will redefine your listening experience with its incredible power and clarity. It boasts a massive 15-inch subwoofer, capable of handling 1500 watts RMS and a peak power of 3000 watts. Feel the earth move beneath your feet. With a 4-ohm impedance and a 3-inch voice coil, it delivers exceptional performance and efficiency. The 200-ounce magnet ensures deep, resonant bass. It has a mounting depth of 8 inches and a cutout size of 14 inches, making installation a breeze. It's designed for seamless integration into your system. For the best results, pair it with the American Bass XFL Comp 2.5K amplifier. This combination will unlock its full potential and deliver an unparalleled audio experience. Experience the ultimate in bass performance. Upgrade your sound system today. What we like. It boasts incredible power handling and versatile impedance options. If you need a subwoofer that can handle extreme power and offers flexible wiring configurations to match your amplifier, this is the one for you. This is perfect for those who want to create a truly earth-shattering bass experience in their vehicles. What people say. These are very deep and loud. Shakes everything around the car. Best sub on the market for $200. Update **** 1 month later, sounds even better, and after tuning this thing it hits very hard and accurate. Using one sub in a 3.5 cubic feet net ported enclosure with 41 SQ in port tuned to 32 Hz. Incredibly loud and good looking. Using a Crown XLS 2002 to power them. Number 4. American Bass Elite 1544. Get ready to experience deep, powerful bass. This subwoofer is built to deliver exceptional sound quality and reliability. It boasts a massive 2400 watt max power handling. You'll feel the impact of every note. It's built to last with a heavy-duty stamped steel basket and a durable black powder coat finish. The fiber-added non-press paper cone ensures accurate and clear sound reproduction. You'll hear every detail. With a 150-ounce magnet, it delivers impressive efficiency and power. Experience bass like never before. Upgrade your audio system today with this exceptional subwoofer. It's the ultimate choice for serious bass enthusiasts. What we like. This subwoofer is built to last with its robust construction and high efficiency. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient subwoofer that delivers powerful bass without breaking the bank, then this is your best option. Its high efficiency ensures you get the most out of your amplifier's power. What people say. These things slam, and I have them underpowered on a 2000 watt RMS amplifier. I am certain they could take much more. I'm very pleased with the build quality and loudness of these. Kevlar coated, so tough speakers. Sound quality is great. The amount of bang for your buck is unmatched. And they hit extremely hard. Number 3. American Bass XFL 1544 Recone Kit. Upgrade your audio system with this superior Recone kit. It's designed for high performance and reliability, ensuring years of great sound. It boasts 1000 watts RMS and a peak power of 2000 watts. Experience the raw power and deep bass this kit delivers. This kit features a massive 220-ounce magnet. This ensures strong and clear audio reproduction, even at high volumes. The dual voice coil design provides exceptional clarity and control over your sound. Enjoy a richer, more detailed listening experience. With its large 15-inch woofer, it delivers deep, resonant bass. Feel the music like never before. It's built with premium materials for lasting performance. Enjoy years of trouble-free use with this reliable kit. This kit is designed for easy installation, so you can get back to enjoying your music quickly. Detailed instructions are included. It has a 4 ohm impedance and is rated for 2000 watts. This kit is perfect for those seeking a powerful audio upgrade. What we like. Get a superior quality performance with this subwoofer. If you're seeking to upgrade your existing subwoofer, this is a great choice. It's a simple and effective way to enhance your sound system without breaking the bank. What people say. It can actually handle power with American Bass's high-quality voice coil. This thing is awesome. I'm not a big bass enthusiast. Actually, I don't even care about bass. I just care about reproducing frequencies as low as 1 Hz, and this thing does it. It's way better than my Serwin Vega subwoofer that fried with just a few low frequencies. Impressive, both in SPL and SQ. This will be a lifetime subwoofer for many people. Tons of pressure in my SUV but articulate enough to play many different genres. Extremely powerful, bordering on painful. Number 2. American Bass XFL 1522 subwoofer. Get ready to experience deep, powerful bass. This subwoofer will transform your sound system. It boasts an impressive 1500 watts RMS and a max power of 3000 watts. That's enough power to fill any space with incredible sound. It features a robust 1.4-inch 3-layer foam surround and dual 2-ohm voice coils for superior durability and performance. With its powerful magnets and optimized ported box design, it delivers incredibly deep and accurate bass. You'll feel the music like never before. Its mounting depth of 9.33 inches and 15.6-inch cutout size make installation a breeze. It's designed to fit seamlessly into most car audio systems. The dual 2-ohm voice coils offer versatile wiring options, making it compatible with a wide range of amplifiers. It has a sensitivity of 88.5 dB, meaning it efficiently converts power into loud and clear sound. Experience rich, detailed audio. The recommended ported box size is between 2.75 and 3.25 cubic feet, ensuring optimal bass response and enclosure tuning. What we like. It delivers a powerful and immersive sound experience. If you are looking for a subwoofer that can produce deep, impactful bass, this is the one for you. Its high power handling and dual voice coil configuration make it ideal for those who want to create a truly immersive audio experience. What people say. Needed a sub to replace the one that blew, and after weeks of comparison to specs, this fits specs, mounting depth, and only had to router out the hole in the box about a 1/16. This thing needs the right box. A big box. I build a box to spec from the American Bass website, and personally I think it needs another square foot or so in volume, but even without, this thing is great for lows. Have the sub still breaking in and it hits hard at the frequencies the box was built to. Need some adjustments on the low pass etc. to sound right, but if you have a bit of experience with car audio, this thing is a beast. Don't let the RMS fool you into thinking it is a baby sub. This thing is for grown-ups. The sub will vibrate your whole body. 12s sound good, but this bad boy will move everything in your car when it hits. I can see my vision shaking. 10 out of 10, and I just have one with 2. You would be heard for blocks, maybe even like a half a mile better than the Scar EVL by far. I had one. You can feed this boy power all day and it won't clip bass boost or no. I've tried both. Only downside is that it will not fit in all boxes, so you want to make sure you have something it will fit. Number 1. American Bass XR15D2. Introducing the American Bass XR15D2 subwoofer. It's designed to deliver an unmatched audio experience with its impressive power handling. This 15-inch woofer is the heart of the system. It provides deep, rich bass that will fill any space. With 3000 watts of power, it can handle even the most demanding music. You'll feel the bass, not just hear it. The dual 2-ohm voice coils offer flexible wiring options for various amplifier setups. This ensures optimal performance in your system. It features a triple voice coil design. This allows for even greater power handling and efficiency. Upgrade your sound system today with the American Bass XR15D2. It's built to deliver exceptional bass performance. What we like. It offers a powerful punch and flexible wiring options. If you need a subwoofer that can handle extreme power and offers flexible wiring configurations to match your amplifier, this is the one for you. This is perfect for those who want to create a truly earth-shattering bass experience in their vehicles. What people say. Sound quality is unmatched. It doesn't just slam in the bass line. It produces clean, crisp, low music. Solid construction, can play sub 30 Hz with relative ease despite an advertised frequency response of 35 to 500. Surprisingly responsive and fast for a 15-inch subwoofer. They hit hard and sound excellent on the lows, great SQ sub. They will handle a lot of power though. I have two on Audio Apex CAB45, which is a true 5000 W amp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.